I've been using this HotYeah portable wireless monitor now for a couple weeks, and it's become one of those gadgets that I really use every day. What really makes this monitor stand out is that it works both wirelessly and with a cable. I've used it connected to my Windows PC with the HDMI cable that comes with the kit, and I've also used it with my Android phone with the USB-C cable for gaming. I've connected it wirelessly to both my computer and my Android phone. Having both options makes it incredibly versatile. For gaming, I definitely prefer the wired connection since it gives you the lowest latency. The 1080p display looks sharp, colors are vibrant, and the 60Hz refresh rate is perfect for everyday gaming and media. For work though, the wireless feature is what really impresses me. It's great for sharing your screen during meetings or adding a second display without having another cable running across my desk. Once it's connected, it gives me a clean, clutter-free workspace. The built-in battery is another feature I really like. You can get several hours of use without plugging it in, making it great for traveling, working in a coffee shop, or anywhere I don't have easy access to power. And if the battery does run low, I just plug it in and keep using it. The monitor also comes with two different stands. There's a built-in kickstand that's quick and easy to use, plus I've made a folding stand that gives you even more flexibility for adjusting the height and the viewing angle. It's surprisingly stable and makes it easy to position the viewing angle any way that you want it. One thing to keep in mind is that this is not a touchscreen, and wireless casting won't work with protected streaming services like Netflix or Prime Video because of HDCP restrictions. If you're using devices like a Google Pixel, Chromebook, or gaming console, you'll want to use a wired connection. I have had a great experience with this monitor, whether I'm gaming with my PC, extending my desktop for work, or wirelessly sharing my phone's screen. It's been reliable and very easy to use. If you're looking for a portable second monitor that gives you the flexibility of wired or wireless connection, I think this one is definitely worth checking out.